It's a standard Tuesday morning. You're clearing your inbox when an urgent message arrives from your CEO. The email demands immediate payment to a vendor, attaching new bank details and insisting on absolute confidentiality. This is a business email compromise, or BEC. Cybercriminals create emails that perfectly mimic your executives or trusted business partners, inserting themselves into your communication chain to redirect payments to their own accounts. Because these emails rarely contain malicious links or dangerous software, standard automated security filters often let them through. The attackers rely on your natural inclination to be helpful, effectively making you the final line of defense. To spot a fabrication, shift your focus to how the message is constructed. Check for misspelled sender addresses, an intense tone of urgency, sudden bank detail changes, or demands for secrecy. Note instructions to skip normal approval procedures. The presence of these indicators identifies a psychological trap designed to rush your decision-making. The moment you recognize these signs, you must break the momentum. Deliberately take your hand off the computer mouse. Do not hit reply or attempt to call the phone number in the email signature. Step outside the email to verify the request. Open your official corporate directory and find the verified contact information for the sender. Call them directly to confirm the details. If the sender didn't authorize the payment, it's time to neutralize the threat. Navigate to your email client toolbar and click the Report Phishing button to send the message to quarantine. By submitting the email through official IT channels, you provide the data needed to block the attacker from targeting your colleagues. One early detection secures the entire organization. With the message quarantined, corporate funds remain in your accounts. The artificial pressure vanishes, allowing you to return to your work safely. Attackers rely on speed and panic to bypass your defenses. They hack trust. Your most effective countermeasure is a deliberate choice. Pause before you pay. Verify before you approve. Report before it becomes a breach.